Be quick, Neşe! Nah.
It says something right here. If you found the place...
Take 30 steps from there, and you'll arrive at the X sign. The treasure is there.
1 and 2, 3...
14, 15, and 16,
27,
28, 29,
and 30!
I found it first!
Your referee is speaking. You found it at the same time.
But wait, this!
These are a bunch of our photos!
Do you remember this, Neşe?
Of course I do. It feels just like yesterday, my dear sweet little brother. You can take my racket whenever you want, and be a big guitarist when you feel like it, Mutlu.
The biggest, right, sis? Because with some practice, I think I'll become a perfect guitarist.
Of course you can, but I can teach you tennis as well if you'd like me to.
So then, will that make me the best tennis player then?
Absolutely!